EFF urges Mapisa-Nqakula's removal over corruption. The economic freedom fighters, EFF, are demanding the dismissal of National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula from her post following numerous reports linking her to corruption. Mapisa-Nqakula was implicated in an affidavit submitted to the Investigative Directorate (ID) by the owner of Umkhombe Marine. The allegations detailed in the affidavit suggest that while she was Minister of the South African Defence Force, she received cash bribes delivered in gift bags that amounted to 2.3 million rand between 2016 and 2019 from the company, and the EFF wants Mapisa-Nqakula to be removed. In 2019, Umkhombe Marine secured tenders worth 210 million rand for freight and logistics services for the South African National Defence Force (SANDF). The 6-month investigation under the ID has sparked concerns about transparency and accountability in law enforcement, notably among powerful individuals. These suspicions warrant thorough scrutiny and corrective measures. In a press release issued by the EFF, the party stated, "These allegations serve as an indictment of the pervasive corruption that has corroded the 6th Parliament." They further emphasized that from the President himself to the Speaker, it has been demonstrated that the ruling party has become entrenched, leaving members shamelessly exploiting their majority to perpetuate their corrupt practices. Eyewitness News reported Mapisa-Nqakula denies allegations that had emerged at the weekend. President of the United Democratic Movement Bantu Holomisa said the Speaker should answer these allegations as they were told that the investigation was completed last year and that she would be arrested or appear in court. According to Eyewitness News, she claims that she has held the highest standard throughout her career and has advocated against corruption. The EFF also partly stated in their press release, the EFF demands the Speaker's removal amid investigation and vows to report her to the Parliamentary Ethics Committee for alleged bribery, seeking accountability. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.